I figure since we're passing through Brodhead, I might as well take another look at the Brodhead train depot. And there's the old memorial there. But I was here almost last year when I did a video and took a tour of the Kelch Aviation Museum. Let's have a walk around. We will walk around this depot and then we'll come by the train on the way back. So thank you for staying with me on this. A little windy out. It's about 35 degrees. It's cold. This will block some of the wind here. I wish we could go in. Museum hours, Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday, or by appointment. You should get an appointment, go in and take a look. That'd be kind of cool if a train came by, wouldn't it? Grab a look at that going by the depot here. Wow, this is pretty big. I don't know if I walked around the whole thing last time. Wanted to catch that Ford sign over there, but the more I zoom in, the worse the picture gets. All right. Yeah, if you didn't see my video on the Kelch Aviation Museum, I'll leave a link to it at the end of this one. There's some old buildings here. Knight Manufacturing Company. We're going to have to go back to the depot. I thought we can go around it. Boy, that's an old building with a dock on it and everything. Look at that. All right, let's head back. We'll go check out that train. Yeah, I couldn't go all the way around, so we're gonna have to head back and go and check out the train from in the front. It's a cool light there. Let's see what this is. Oh, that looks good. That's nice. And my hat's about to fly off. All these big trains always, I like these things so much. Has a lot of you do, I'm sure. And the old caboose, the old 1900. Oh, I also wanted to see if these train brakes were on. No, I guess. Keep off. Man, it's cold out here.